Hi guys, I am Viva. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be experimenting. I haven't made that recipe before. It just came up to me last night. In one of my recent videos, I showed you how I make apple roses. And I thought, what if I try to make potato roses? But I want them to be juicy and fatty and rich. So I'm going to try today and make potato roses with bacon, ham and cheese. If you want to see how that turns out, keep on watching. If you like my video, give me the thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Enjoy! Here are the ingredients I'll be using today for my experiment. I have 8 medium-sized potatoes, 2 of them are a little smaller. I have oil, vegetable oil. These are the spices I'm gonna use: salt, onion powder, paprika, black pepper, oregano and garlic powder. I will put in the description box below the exact measurements. I am going to use 1 full pack of bacon and also ham and cheddar, which I have already cut. Now I'm just gonna show you how I cut them. I have chosen mild cheddar, cutting in half and then in 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3, and that's it. I chose deli style ham because the slices are thin. This is what I'm looking for. I'm placing them on the long side and cutting in the middle. If you have different type of ham, just cut in the middle and it's going to work. Now I'm slicing the potatoes. I'll be doing that by hand. None of my shredders could have given me the exact size of the slices I wanted, so just cutting. I got the hold of it at some point, I think on the second potato. And this is what I'm looking for, bendy and thin. This way I can roll them. Adding all the spices to the sliced potatoes, and I will take my time here to mix them and massage every slice very well. I would like each of my potato slices to be covered evenly with the spices I'm using, so they can be yummy. I'm sure they will taste great. Sprinkle some oil and keep massaging and mixing. This is what I'm looking for. I am happy with that. Look at them. They already look yummy. Starting with the roses, using 2 slices of bacon, overlapping them. 2 slices will give me nice fat potato rolls. The pieces of ham almost a little above the edge of the bacon, overlapping them, and then placing the potatoes. Also overlapping. I would suggest you put them closer, this way you will have more potatoes and they will nicely balance with the bacon and the ham. I will end it, top it with a few slices of cheddar. You can use as few as 2-3 pieces or more. It's up to your taste. Look at that roast. Oh my god, it's so big and juicy and yummy. Bacon, ham, and potatoes and cheese. And yes, I got 2 pieces left of my bacon, so I'm going to put them, just stuff them here. I have my oven already preheated to 400 degrees and I'll be baking these beauties for 40 minutes. I have to tell you, this experiment was absolutely successful. I love them. I'm so happy with the result. Just the next time I'm gonna use mozzarella. I'll try that next. Now I'm placing them on the bottom deck of the oven. After 20 minutes, just to be on the safe side, I covered them with some foil so the potatoes don't burn on the top. I wish you can smell that. It's so delicious. I hope you enjoyed that video. See ya. Bye guys.